Wrapping up, we've spoken about all the elements of a good security plan. A security plan is a written document that says what you plan to do to make your product secure. It includes the following elements. Security requirements describe what security means to your product, both in terms of the security needs of the application and your security goals. A threat model describes who is likely to attack your system and what their likely motivation might be, acknowledging that unlikely threats are also possible. In the end, you'll have to pick which threats to spend limited security resources on. Vulnerabilities are the likely paths of attack to your system. These will include the types of ways an attacker can gain access, whether by network or by physical access. Vulnerabilities will also cover the likely objectives of an attacker in terms of their attack strategy and what systems behaviors they may wish to elicit. Mitigation strategies describe the risk from various attacks, often in terms of probability and severity. It also describes which types of threats and vulnerabilities you plan to mitigate given limited time, budget, and resources. Finally, a validation strategy describes how you plan to make sure the mitigation really works. That typically includes both testing and ensuring that the software quality practices you planned were actually executed.